Hello again! If you're here, you have trouble remembering and differentiating cosecant and secant. So, here we go. Cosecant is equal to 1 over sine. Secant is equal to 1 over cosine. And here is how I remember that. It all orbits and circles around the sex principle. The sex principle is that sec, when you say it like sec, it sounds like the word sex, especially when you start doing it with sec x or sec squared x. So sex. And then sex, or your cosex, is two things. Like cosex, two things. And that equals the one thing is on top. So that means with the sex principle, both secant and cosecant have 1 on top in a fraction. So for secant, you start with the sex principle, so you get 1 over something. And then sex, when you have sex, you need company. So you have your co right there. Or, if you're really good at sex, companies. Lols. So that gets you your CO and then your S, your cosine, 1 over cosine. And then, for your cosecant, you apply the sex principle again, then it's like cosex, and that's 1 over something. And when you're having cosex, it's covert, right there. Covert. And usually when you're having covert sex, it's generally singular. There's your sign. Your sign is right there. 1 over sine. Of course, you could remember this the hard way by just remembering that cosecant has an S in the middle, so it's sine. And secant has 1c, so it's cosine. But that's the hard way to do it. Just remember the sex principle, and you'll be okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.